A telehealth technology provider had a complex quoting process with no way to track products and the related pricing tiers within opportunities. The disconnect between opportunities and products led to a labor-intensive proposal process, requiring them to enter information separately into Proposify, and which still did not adequately track subscriptions and contracts, or easily produce accurate renewals and amendments. They also needed the ability to track recurring and non-recurring revenue. To optimize their quoting process, FastSlowMotion began by creating subscription products with custom fields for pricing and discount levels. We added CPQ product rules, including discount validation and quantity provider validation, to ensure that discounts and quantities are correct. We also added price rules, including provider range discount, list price, and needs approval, which calculate appropriate discounts and pricing, and send quotes to managers for approval if pricing or discounts are outside specified ranges. We used Process Builder to update fields related to contracting status, opportunity products, and quotes, and then used roll-up summary fields to place those values on the opportunity. For contracts and subscriptions, we used Process Builder along with CPQ Twin Fields functionality to populate relevant fields from contracts to opportunities for renewals. Now the client has a fully optimized quoting process that integrates products and pricing tiers and flows seamlessly into Proposify. They can accurately track subscriptions and contracts, allow for renewals and amendments, and track both recurring and non-recurring revenue. At FastSlowMotion, we've helped hundreds of growing businesses improve their operations and deliver better results by implementing and enhancing Salesforce. For more information about us, please visit fastslowmotion.com and be sure to read our client reviews on AppExchange.